today what we're doing is Fiesta, doing a suspension arm and auxiliary belt on it, because the old ones are, the ball joint on it is gone. So I've been for a run this morning. Gonna get ready. So I'm just gonna try it out now. A big leverage. There you go. Right, the arms back in, just gotta put the bolts back on and we'll tighten them once the wheel's on. We'll put a jack stand underneath it and we just raise the suspension. So we've done the suspension. Now we're going to be doing the stretch belt. We've got the old one off. Look at the state of it. So, alright, that was close, eh? We're checking the length. We both are same length. Yeah. There's a new one on.